Welcome, my dear student, in this new unit. Today, we try to discuss unit number 6, and the name of this unit is Sequential Circuit Design. As you study the subject of STLD, and in the unit number 4 and 5, we try to design a combinational logic circuit. Now, whereas in unit number 6, we try to design the sequential circuits. Now, as you know that we have the two different types of real system, either combinational or sequential. On the basis of some characteristic or on the basis of some points, we try to differentiate the combinational and the sequential circuit. If we try to differentiate the combinational and sequential circuit, we examine that first. If suppose there is a memory present in the device, then it goes in the part of sequential device, and if the memory is not present there, then it is a combinational circuit. Also, for performing operation, if the circuit required a clock input, then it called as a sequential circuit, and if the circuit will operate without clock input, then it is called as a combinational circuit. There are certain different simple points. On the basis of that, we try to differentiate the combinational and sequential circuit. Okay. Now, here in this unit number 6, we try to design such types of sequential circuit having a clock input, having a memory, and or other important features. Okay. So, in this first video, we try to discuss the important points or the important topic that we have to discuss in this unit, because whenever we try to study a certain part or certain unit, we try to we actually know about the basic content or the important points of the unit. So in unit number 6, we have to discuss first the conversion of flip-flops. As in the previously in your second year in 4th semester, I think in ADIC, you already studied the flip-flops, but in this we also try to again try to study the flip-flops in detail. And here in the important point is that we have to see the conversion of flip-flops. That was the important point. So how we can convert a one flip-flop to another flip-flop, that important topics that we have to discuss here. Second topic is design of synchronous circuit. Third is asynchronous counter circuits. There are in the sequential, there are two types of devices. First is the synchronous and another is the asynchronous. So this synchronous and asynchronous, these are the two types of the sequential circuit, and these types are to be done on the basis of the way to apply the clock input. If you apply the common clock input at a time to all the flip-flops or all the devices, then it goes in the synchronous. And if we apply the clock pulse individually, separately to every flip-flop, then it goes in the part of asynchronous. On the basis of that, we have to discuss these synchronous and asynchronous counters and circuits. Also, we have to discuss the important topic, that is the shift resistor. Shift resistor is also important topics that we have to discuss here. Along with shift resistor, we have to study the new important topic, that is a finite state machine, that is called as a FSM. And this finite state machine will be very important whenever you have to design a complicated sequential circuit, or whenever you have to define any certain operation of a sequential circuit. Then on that case, we have to use a finite state machine. Also, we try to design, or we try to represent the mathematical expression of a synchronous sequential machines. And the important and unique topic on the basis which is asked in the university paper on Maxwell type, that is Millet-Morieux model, that we all try to discuss also it Millet-Morieux models in details. Okay, so these are the important topics that we have to discuss here, and in the next video we try to study the first flip-flop in details, its type and its all operation. Okay, thank you very much.